So here it is, it's a phone call, there's somebody on the line. So pick up your phone now, let's have